Have you ever stopped to think about what could happen to your body if, for an entire week, you consume just one fruit daily? It may seem simple, but papaya has little-known properties that can surprisingly impact your health. Today, I'm going to show you how incorporating papaya into your daily routine can bring impressive benefits to your body, from strengthening the heart to boosting immunity. However, I will also warn you about some common mistakes many people make when consuming this fruit, which are easy to avoid. Starting with the heart, the engine of our body. One of the biggest advantages of eating papaya daily is precisely for this organ. Rich in fiber, papaya acts like a sponge, helping to absorb excess cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing it from entering the bloodstream. Less cholesterol results in a healthier heart and a lower risk of serious diseases like heart attacks and strokes. Papaya is also an excellent source of potassium, which helps control blood pressure and improve circulation, while lycopene and vitamin C help protect the arteries and fight inflammation. This naturally strengthens the heart. Less inflammation means fewer chances of stroke. But it's not just the heart that benefits. If you're looking to boost immunity, papaya is a true ally. To give you an idea, while a medium orange offers about 60% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin C, 130 grams of papaya provide 100% of this need. In other words, it's a real protective barrier for the body, especially for people over 45 who may have a weakened immune system. Moreover, papaya is an excellent source of antioxidants, such as carotenoids. These compounds are essential for slowing down cellular aging and preventing chronic diseases like diabetes and even certain types of cancer. On top of that, they promote healthier, regenerated skin with that natural glow we all love. Have you ever felt your skin looking tired and dull? Papaya might be the solution to give your skin a new life. Vitamin A, present in this fruit, is like a secret to maintaining youth, as it helps with cell renewal, fighting signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, vitamin E, also found in papaya, acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin smooth and soft, preventing dryness, especially in drier climates. Now imagine the story of Donna Maria, a 50-year-old woman who started to feel the effects of aging, tired skin, constant fatigue, and digestive issues. After she began including papaya in her diet, she noticed more radiant skin and significant improvement in digestion. Small changes can have big impacts, and papaya became her great ally. If you care about skin health, you'll be glad to know that beta-carotene, an antioxidant found in papaya, protects the skin from sun damage. Those signs of premature aging and sunspots? Beta-carotene works as a true shield, protecting your skin from the inside out. Additionally, papaya can be applied directly to the skin as a beauty treatment. The fruit's pulp has moisturizing and soothing properties, helping with gentle exfoliation and leaving the skin looking fresh and renewed. The enzyme papain, present in papaya, is responsible for this exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and providing a feeling of renewal. But the benefits of papaya don't stop there. It's also a great ally for those who suffer from arthritis. This fruit contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the joints. Inflammation is one of the main causes of joint pain and stiffness, and consuming papaya daily can be a natural and delicious way to relieve these symptoms. Additionally, the antioxidants in papaya fight free radicals, which accelerate joint damage. One of the great benefits of papaya is its positive effect on the digestive system. The enzyme papain, found in papaya, makes it easier to digest heavier foods like meats and dairy. If you frequently feel discomfort after heavy meals, papaya can be an excellent ally. Both soluble and insoluble fibers help keep the intestines functioning properly, preventing constipation, a common problem, especially among older people. In addition to improving digestion, papaya also promotes a balanced gut flora. This is not only essential for digestion, but also strengthens the immune system and ensures the body properly absorbs nutrients from food. If you're watching your weight, here's some good news. Papaya is very low in calories and rich in fiber. This means that by consuming it, you'll feel fuller, which helps control appetite and avoids those sudden cravings that can hinder maintaining a balanced diet. Papaya can also help keep blood sugar levels under control. Its fibers help prevent spikes in glucose and insulin, which are major contributors to unwanted fat accumulation in the body. Moreover, papaya is rich in water, which aids in hydration and proper metabolic function. Hydration is crucial for those looking to lose weight as it fights fluid retention and helps reduce bloating. Another highlight of papaya is its abundance of vitamins. Vitamin A, present in large amounts, is vital for eye health. It protects the cornea and improves night vision, preventing conditions like night blindness, which becomes more common with aging. And the benefits for vision don't stop there. Papaya contains two essential antioxidants for eye health: lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light emitted by electronic devices and UV rays. Research suggests that these compounds may reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a condition that can lead to vision loss in the elderly. Therefore, including papaya in your diet is an excellent way to care for your vision in the long term. Although papaya offers numerous benefits, it's important to keep a few precautions in mind. Some people may be allergic to the latex found in the fruit. If you're allergic to latex or fruits like pineapple, banana, or kiwi, it's important to be cautious. Symptoms can range from itching and swelling to more severe respiratory problems. If you already know you have this type of allergy, it's best to consume papaya in moderation or avoid it altogether. For pregnant women, it's essential to be cautious with unripe papaya, which isn't fully ripe. It may contain large amounts of latex, which can trigger uterine contractions and possible complications. Therefore, it's always recommended to consult a doctor before including papaya in your diet. And an important tip, if you're taking anticoagulant or blood pressure medications, pay attention. Papaya has a mild diuretic effect, which can interfere with the action of these medications, increasing the elimination of fluids from the body and enhancing their effects. If this is your case, talk to your doctor before consuming papaya regularly. Now that we've covered the benefits and possible contraindications of papaya, it's worth pointing out some mistakes many people make when consuming it. The first mistake is overconsumption. Although papaya is quite beneficial, eating too much can cause discomfort, such as gas, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. The ideal recommendation is to consume between 100 and 150 grams per day. Another common mistake is not washing the papaya peel before cutting it. Even if you don't eat the peel, it may contain pesticide residues or microorganisms. When cutting the fruit without washing it, these substances can be transferred to the edible part, increasing the risk of contamination. And an interesting detail, many people discard papaya seeds without knowing that they have beneficial properties. The seeds have anti-parasitic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. Consuming a small amount, like a teaspoon per day, can be very advantageous. However, it's important not to overdo it, as excessive consumption can also cause problems. Now that you know all these details about papaya, tell me, how do you usually include this fruit in your daily routine? If it's not yet part of your routine, how about starting to try it and enjoy its benefits? Don't forget to share these tips with friends and family. They can also benefit from this versatile and powerful fruit. Thanks for your attention, and until next time, may God bless you.